Fabɛwɔso Emrao. DBS roofing sheets. Roofing papa pesa ukuru wudan so a. Uhia. DBS roofing sheet. Correct pa. Franco Trading Enterprise. Dr. Franco. Super. Open phones ne ho aka de flat screen TVs. Franco Trading Enterprise. Krabatane doso. Bowra ho. Na yensomo wosompa. Nyuma kwen da roma anapenso yaba. Ewsam gidi sa ho ye. Jordan no mi se adwuma bi ase. Na mi wie. Ansa na makwa no so no anapai ma launch campaign. Anya fam okwan so. Traffic lights no edundum. Street lights no anya adwuma. Ementi 2 days bia nipa baya mienu miensa de. Wamu kwan so ka bowom. In this day and age, yaboka millions of dollars in the kwan. Na ye wia ehun niam keten abema kwan wa wie mudie no. Na no so eno so edi say yegu nsa asa. Edi say yegu nsa edi kotodegu famu ansa na. Enti ene #fix Anya Famric traffic lights now. Fix Anya Famric traffic lights now. Any alanche na minya into ho. Minya into ho. No until my who say in Kania wo kwan so e kwan foforo. E kwan foforo a ya enche bia. Inti support to me. Boa me. Na yenhwe. The right thing must be done. Yanko yanim medase. Joanna na me sha adwuma yase. Wey Bureau of National Investigations, BNI. What me report. Na in someone report ni mu no. Eti akuma. And somewhere I will report to no. I am shishie. Sanse eti woman na abayaba na abai ko. Abai bia ba o de sinani so obesisi adan. Affordable housing. Abai bia ba. Wasebo. So obesisi adan. And adan ni aka wuram enya no ho asem na mba beka. But pass abayaba na yede asoya te say State Housing Company. Yede asa okwabena ne nsa. Sa opani yi. Adwuma yede wa sha yede wa di animu as managing director. Yama board. Board no bibia ni a woni board no nwene ho. Bibia ni a woni board no nwene ho. Na managing director no ebe fa board no achi. Aye ade a edika millions of dollars. To report no ha. Jordan no making kind. Shall can kind ya. But if you are not Jordan went here, you assume. Listen. Na wutie no se ne waban na woso na aban no omampani anya omugidie e de adwuma hye wonsa na eyo se ho na wokwa yeye wokopɛ sika de agu kotokuo ma dwene ho biem ya careful because Ghana ya bre oman no bre oman no bre Ghana bre leadership crisis, problem with our leadership. And I'm on me, and then I'm baby. I go so nami. Piano man penini de way na kuma mukai. Said you man me ye kronye. And so nipa binu ma wadi nyuma bi asesa wo monsa. One buying from. Oh, you man penny am winning the home. As I say, and penny for baby mayati. Say, a penny I want to fear, Mamma Frawin and Cano. Say, ye boo nankari foa. So penny no wedding. Wedding. Okay, but that's it. Report of fraud near the kind no. Organized crime near Tosumi no, and money laundering against Mr. Ali Amez, Managing Director of Proteus Limited, and officials of State Housing Company Limited. Eshasia Bribeng. Abayi ba ya wa pound. And first one go here State Housing Company so. Wa mu duru wa mu hwehwe krata mu anom se bibi bon. Bibi ntwa ye. Sika bi amane. No. Enti wa mu throw petition. E de come BNI. Sa BNI. No, nyema bi nsisi ani. Ye ba ye. New management ye ba ye. Nyema bi nsisi ani. Some things don't add up. Enti mama ye hwehwe mu. And BNI so mu twetwe. The Bureau conducted an investigation following a petition from the State Housing Company, SHC Limited, copy attached, alleging that Dr. Mark Ankra, its former managing director, MD, without the approval of the board, in 2013 and 2014, issued 2 corporate guarantees to Proteus Company Limited, a construction firm, to secure a loan of $1 million and $1,600,000 from Ilium Consulting FTZ, a firm purportedly based in Dubai, in the United Arab Emirates. The loan was for the development of residential apartments at Adenta Dry Pond area, Accra, under the project termed Little London. The year 2013 to 2014, and you should remember daddy. Penny BNI for one Christian Gunkrata is way. So managing director of Penny no share State Housing Company so Sabreno, Dr. Mark Ankra. What try a jinemu krata, letter of guarantee. Say, me try a jinemu krata, say, me dear jinemu ma sumesi. One fan kope sika. Enfamra, emayajuma. Na ye mienu, nyedi kai $1 million. Nyetosu mienu $1.6 million. Now what try sakrate one fan go pay loan. Now samichiremu ya. Et is a yadi State Housing Company no akosi awowa. Yadi State Housing or my State Housing Company no yadi akosi awowa. Edi akwaji $2.6 million. See the basis adenta. You assume. The petition also asserted that the $1.6 million component of the loan, though disbursed, was not used for its agreed purpose, and that Dr. Ankra had claimed that the money was used for a sister project when he appeared before the State Housing Company Internal Investigative Committee probing the issue. Yakochi Dr. Ankra de internal audit, internal investigation team. Yakochi yetu safre no na obetra se yebisa no. So pani sika 1.6 million no a what the company kodi aginamu sa sika no enkrata tese sa sika no aba. Enso so dry pon ho ye ko ho bibia san ni ho chirem I say Medicicano acquire sister project. Medicicano acquire sister project. Now, tieniye pa. The investigation team visited the project site at Adenta and several persons, including the current management, former managing directors, past board members of State Housing Company, as well as management of Proteus Limited, were interviewed and interrogated over their involvement and knowledge of the subject matter. The team also perused various documents in relation to the contract. Former managing directors, former board members, 24 year Juma Chum, Yebisa Wamo, the Akoso. Now, the summary of the findings. Investigations confirmed that Proteus Company Limited is duly registered under the Companies Act 1963 Act 179, and was incorporated on 13th June 2014. Prior to this incorporation, it operated as a sole proprietorship known as Proteus Enterprise. The principal activity of the company is building construction and civil engineering. And its address, house number 11 Benzine Street, East Legon, Accra. Yushamuni Bededi. Senukre. Proteus Company Limited, ya register Abain. One office. Our East Legon, number 11 Benzine Street, East Legon, and Kraya. It was established that between February and June 2013, State Housing Company entered into 3 development agreements with Proteus for the construction of residential dwellings, Adenta Dry Pond area, Little London. Under this agreement, State Housing Company was to provide land, whilst Proteus raised the capital to develop the project. Eti kame home, agreement miensa, and a yababeshe. And this agreement, State Housing Company, any sa juma kroya, Proteus kroya, juma bakuya. And on there, Juma show Monsa. State Housing for say, ya won sase. Ya won sase. Enti wu Proteus. Kopesika. Na fa besi adan. Ewo asase ne so. Na yenton. Kopesika. Na fa besi adan. Ewo asase ne so. Na yenton. And I was signing corporate agreement, corporate guarantee agreement. Kata, edi adansi say enokre State Housing Company I wa Ghana ha. And I decide to me, ama Proteus. So amra mepa besia, enti so ba ho a. Now we scan bi ayeden. Fama no. Na won fama ya adwuma. Na we ya ba ya adwuma. Obi an hono ma ye de sa guarantee ko kire no a enya ne de no nkukuru scan ma because we are aban asem. Aban de anya ye kura. Ya twene na scan no ebeba. Into 3 agreements and one sign. Investigations also revealed that Dr. Ankra unilaterally and without the approval of the board of State Housing Company on 25th September 2013 and 5th March 2014 issued 2 corporate guarantees on behalf of the State Housing Company. On behalf of the State Housing Company. On behalf of the State Housing Company. For Proteus to raise loans, $1 million, $1.6 million, respectively, from Eolim. However, State Housing Company Board minutes from 2012 to 2014 made no mention of approval for the issuance of these guarantees. Hey, Shamuni Bedadi. So 25th September 2013 and 5th March 2014, Dr. Makankra, our managing director, one share no because enkaye betua na mobi ye fa adwini bia ye share board MD nie board of directors nie na ya dwene ho kwa ba ne betimi afa so ayesa project yi o yanko pa besia kwa ba ne betimi akofa besia no dan ye di kosi awowa o ebia yemfa we nko ana ye nyina yemfa ensa sekrata ase na krata no kwa munyedu se sa krata we board ni nyina nsa na chance because ya dwene ho na ya gye atum. Enso Dr. Ankra was saying no wa mo bi amane. Na report in again that he issued 2 corporate guarantees on behalf of State Housing Company. Eh? No board of directors no wa ma dan so na gu abonten. Report is State Housing Company board minutes. Minutes are one committee and one tre. Secretary wo board secretary wo what tre your meeting and then answer we na bon paye and we can say and we so can say we can say we na we so can we. Ya the minutes no akwasha file him. Minutes are be and I for hwehwe mu nyina ba kokura ni hono mo a na board meetings no wama discuss it. So 1 million 1.6 and PM minutes ba kokura na ni pa ba ko hye office no ma sign corporate guarantee mongen ko pa bisi amra na board ni ti ho. It was further established that State Housing Company and Proteus signed 2 corporate guarantee agreements before the corporate guarantee were issued. Almost any agreement. And then you see a beton is saying, and for Sony a better is saying, when you know managing director no any Proteus free, I say Kukuamu ya na board in him hushe. It was agreed that $1 million will be used for the development of 28 housing units. Sikanimu 1 million there. Yedi besia dankra mako edionu watch 28 housing units. $1 million. Juma di bedie no. $1.6 million caters for 32 units. Into the $1 million needs 28 housing units. Near the 1.6 and so as 32 housing units. And she say a course so managing director any Proteus company Ali Omes in Tamunono. The corporate guarantee agreement also stipulated that the total loan sum of $2.6 million was to be lodged into a special mandate account with Dr. Ankra and Ali Omes as the signatories. Eh? Investigation revealed that the monies were not paid into the account, whilst the 1.6 million portion of the loan was also not used for the project. Tienye 2.6 million no a yakwakobo besia e dia besia dankora no. Nipa mienu ni gitum Dr. Makankra Wane Ali Umes a Proteus Company Limited yani dia one on the contractor will be si dan no. Wamu gitum se sikan ba tiu yamfa nkoto State Housing Company for one account nim. Na yebebie special mandate account. Special mandate account. Na ye the 2.6 million nyina atum. Na sa special mandate account no yenye in such a way say e me no me nko an ye signatories. Wo sign na man sign a yentimi yiska. Me so me sign na wan sign a yentimi yiska. Na ye me nko an yen control den account no. Eh? Sikani by then so report each there and show me about the pefe. Sir, $1.6 million, you know. Yamfa nya juma no esi ye de ba be no. 32 housing units, 1.6 billion no. Yamfa sa sika no anye. Yamfa nsi adan no. Ebiem, the monies were not paid into the account. Account, special mandate account no amko biye say this can ba betum no. Sika no ametom. Enti sika no why ho ne kodi you find out. Ya kwayanim. It was again established that State Housing Company contracted Proteus in March 2013 to construct 40-unit apartments at the same location. Little London, where? Now, this was separated from the loan-funded project cited above. Momentum was raminchemi haye mau. Ansana sa 2.6 million uhim komo kraba bebano. Not 2013. State Housing Company, Dr. Mark Ankra, Edani. Wama Proteus contract. So once 40 units housing. Adankra 40. I was abia yewa. We no and can 2.6 no and count. This was separated from the loan-funded project cited above. Under this construction agreement, State Housing Company financed the project and hired Proteus as a contractor. Documents available at State Housing Company confirm that the project was fully paid for. The 40-unit residential apartment was fully paid for by State Housing Company. Hence, Ankra's claim that the $1.6 million was used for a sister project is not supported by facts available. Yebisa Dr. Makankra nanka yajimwaye sebia 1.6 million no hwehwe ayenhu no. Enke bia no na acha chebi wode kwanya 40 unit apartment no. Enso so hwemi anda di pefe se wo mu hwehwe mu no na enye sa 1.6 no mu ba bia ana wode kwanya sa aduma no. And here the report is clear. Says how 40 units no State Housing Company no ane tuaka. Wama mo bia guarantee alfa nkopa bisia. Eti chane sumami 28 units, 32 units, 2.6 million. And no yakwaje bisia ya ma corporate guarantee and ya de kwaje sika bai. But 40 units in there. State Housing Company no and the tuaka. Follow me. Follow me. Now let's get into some details of the findings. Investigations established that State Housing Company and Proteus signed 3 development agreements dated 11th February 2013, 10th April 2013, and 6th June 2013. It has crossed your mind. Say, what is there between State Housing Company and Proteus? Sabrano, na de na State Housing Company ni Proteus adwuma ko yintem. Because ana report he came. And you shemo man na daddy. State Housing Company any Proteus one mo sign development agreement miensa. Baku 11th February 2013. Ni etosu mienu 10th April 2013. And ni etosu miensa 13th 6th June 2013. Enti afebako in 1 year and in a space of 4 months, because February, March, April, May, June, 5 months. Bosumi numuntamuno State Housing Company any Proteus one more signing agreement miensa 3 development agreements. The agreement stated that State Housing Company shall provide land situated at the Dry Pond area at Adenta Estate, Accra, for the construction of residential dwellings as its equity per market value of the land. Adenta Dry Pond as I see a bre. And 3 agreements, you know. Just say, ye be see a dying. Na yaton and Faswano Proteus udi any State Housing Company so edi any. Na asasene buono and na ye behwe e de ato apartment no a ye ba besie no. Yushemi and I can say asase kro no a adanta asase ho no a. The project was to be jointly managed for profit over a 60-year lease period. It is here that we are. In fact, you see 60 years. For one year, better 60 years in the Chamua. Now, fe Adani in the Asha Bainsa. San agreement, you know. Per this report, sir, an agreement no eka. Contrary to the agreement, it came to light that Proteus could not raise the funds and thus relied on State Housing Company to guarantee loans for it before it could execute the project. Uniska baje contract. Sa Uniska baje contract. So wouldn't this car over the contract? Now, me no me contract in no. Me na me so ape amount. Amount corporate guarantees a general for basic cabra. Are we serious? Are we serious? It was established that Dr. Ankra, without approval from the board of State Housing Company, on 27 September 2013 and 25 March 2014, issued 2 corporate guarantees in favor of Yolim for Proteus to raise 1 million and 1.6 million respectively. 2013, September 2013, March 2014. And Dr. Ankra actually corporate guarantee kratai edema bronifita Ali Omez na nia ansere mitrim papa ene kwanya corporate guarantee extra potin say Ali Omez ko eolim fa kratai fa ko eolim na fa ko jisika na fa baye adwuma no eolim company limited e hwan dia eno so be huni wura abotre ube huni wura the lender Eolim Consulting FTZ is a Romanian company based in Dubai. Fishemune bededi se Eolim no Romania nibidia ana sheye ewo Dubai. Enti kwa na kope 2.6 million na fa beye adwuma no. Jekrate ya di state housing esi awowa. Fa kope 2.6 million. Na fabe sisi adan no State Housing Company Board Minutes records from 2012 to 2014, however, did not capture any of the board's deliberations and approval of Dr. Anker's decision to sign corporate guarantee agreements with Proteus and the issuance of corporate guarantee to Helium to cover the debt of Proteus. Board meetings, minutes near the issue. Bakukure no one my boss so a bon huwa. So, abribi yeshia no ebeto board meeting no ebeto dwa ema ye bobo home enti ye nyina ye jitu mu kra se. Yentu sa na moyin. Bibien ho say at the board level, what would you say and send me home? Tiabani sana nipa ba akohya no ho. Etu sa na moyin. Enne ye ka say edika. Ana abeto. Enti bien na for komanim any former board members be twetwe nkomo set fiati kwadwo wusu agiman and Mary Pomery nyina abra na owura Dr. Ankra why managing director no more board ni so bi enti bien na ene wam twetwe nkomo all former board members of State Housing Company stated that the matter was not tabled for the board's discussion. Hence, no approval was given. No approval was given. 2.6 million. 2.6 million. And there was no approval from the board. Oh, no. Investigations further indicated that two corporate agreements dated 25th September 2013 and 5th March 2014 were signed between State Housing Company and Proteus. These agreements preceded the issuance of the corporate agreement, and it spelled out, among other things, the purpose of the loan, conditions precedent for the utilization of the loan, and disbursement. Between Dr. Makankra and Ali Umeza Proteus yani dey agreement ni mu no wamo sise niema nyina pe wamo sise niema nyina pe dey this kan ba beye conditions are ewo hu na fei kwanye be faso achiche sika no disbursement. One of the agreed purposes was that $1 million loan was to be used for the construction of 28 units, whilst 1.6 was to cater for 32 residential facilities, all within the Little London. It also stated that the total loan amount of 2.6 million was to be transferred by EOLIM into a special mandate account for the project, with Dr. Makankra and Ali Umez, the MDs of the two parties, to be the mandated signatories. This, according to the agreement, was to ensure that the loan was applied as to the purpose for which it was secured. The details, the details of the special mandate account were account this can go to now me bosswa. These banks can check the owners of these accounts. United Bank for Africa, UBA, CD account number. United Bank for Africa, UBA, CD account number 00706487001-503. Message to you. UBA CD account number 00706487001-503. Eno a UBA account, CD account edi kan. Mienu UBA Euro account number. Bakuni a CD. Where a Euro? Ah, damn it. Ha! UBA Euro account number 0070648700240. Messi anusu subio 0070648700240. Sa account here when dia account no Ali Umez ne Dr. Ankra agree say nkayan koye no joint account emienu ne ebesan no enhwemi ne beto dwa say account amabobo yi din nyina no Ali Umez broni no na account sika 2.6 million no ebeto broni no account na mame found si hanne the sovereignty of this nation, Ghana, resides in we, the people. And I believe that at this time we held some of these people accountable. Ah. Amaya Shaman say yo. Wafa. Ante. Minia. Wamaino. Yan she men say. Was a say ani ebe konwa. That she be dear dokunukwa. Maka Ghana ya bre ni sikadie rough ya bre ni sa niam na ya ekwakoso na afei ekurekuamu ana wete sam ya nye obi ahe. God save us. Once we are here, we pray for grace, we pray for wisdom. Ghana be ye. Yaribesia. But me me producers, one more bomb Humadin Bia. Says Sabeka Dr. Makankra. Yanko no Swabeka ni fem. Nia wonim first report yi ho, wa ka kire yen. Enso ya panwa. Yansanka no bigidi say Sabeka no bripam. Yansaka no a. Yanene betwetwe nkomo. Me dey the chief